welcome to the shop, everybody. What's going on, you little banditos? Not much here except for something pretty cool. We're gonna be making a Ronnie Van Zant inspired hat today. All right, let's quit rambling, ramblers, and let's get doing it. So, all right, what's next? Let's add a little bit of a dip to the front and back. Awesome Rattlesnake band. Loving it. Yeah, we're gonna have to try this one on. What do you think? Think we can do some Freebird and some Sweet Home Alabama? Tuesday's gone. I like it. All right, thanks for joining me today, crew. See what we got going on next time and catch everybody on the flip side. Later.